Once you've taken down your fabulous holiday decor and the room is back to normal, things look a little drab. So to keep that winter magical feeling, I like to create a gorgeous winter centerpiece using some of my holiday decor. The trick is to use holiday florals that are transitional, or in other words, that doesn't scream Christmas, such as pine cones, berry sprays, winter flowers, and frosted branches. These items will work beautifully. So we have a nice cylinder glass vase here, and inside the vase I have some white batting that I wrapped some white blocks, or what do you call this, spongy material that you put your florals in. I wrap that up in there so it can cover up most of it, and it gives a nice little wintry foundation here down at the bottom. So what we're going to do is we are going to start putting in our florals. Now I showed you guys these beautiful flocked branches in a Breeze Fabifine not too long ago when I purchased these at Michael's. I will start with this first installment by placing this branch in the floral block. Now I normally go by feel and eyeing the placement, so I have no idea how this is going to turn out. We will witness the outcome together. Put these in here randomly, kind of spaced out. No particular order per se. I'm just trying to feel my way in here. And like I said, I am doing a floral arrangement with the winter theme in mind. The next installment will be the flocked pinecone branch. And I'm just eyeballing the placement and adjusting here and there. Some of the flocking came off. We have to be really careful with these flocked florals, because if you handle them too roughly, the branches will come off. So now the third branch we're doing is just a simple frosted winter branch. And I like the look because some of the white paint has come off a little bit, so they give it that wear look that I like. So we're going to put that in here. And I'm just turning the vase around a little bit so I can get a good feel of where I need to place certain branches. Okay, so let me give you a closer look so you can see what we have so far. I have some more of this snow, and right on the top here you can see some of this floral block. That's what it's called, a floral block. And I am going to cover it with this batting. So I'm just going to tear it up just a little bit, and I'm going to place bits of pieces around here so I can cover up the block. And it's good kind of lay it in there like it's layered in, so it looks like layers of snow. And we'll work our way around. Start placing some of our fillers. I got these pine cones. I think that would look pretty nice in here. The only problem is they're so big, so hopefully this will work. So we're just going to place them around here. right, now we can play with our branches. The vase is filled with larger pine cones at the bottom and then gradually come up to medium pine cones that filled up at the rim. These pine cones with the stems will be placed along the top of the rim and inside the floral arrangement to fill it out. So now I have these nice little flocked pine cone on branches and a few berries just to make it a little bit more filled down here. So I'm going in these empty spaces and putting this stem in the center. Now I have to be careful not to peel off any of the flocking that's down here, because after all that, pine cones down here is pretty tight. So we're going to insert this carefully. Yeah. And I'm not sure if I want to carry this all the way around or not. Maybe I'll just concentrate on one side. Just want to give some greenery in here. This is what it looks like. We'll spread out the berries a little bit. So let's take a closer look at that. That would do it, loves, for this episode. I hope I've given you some ideas and inspired you to create your own winter centerpiece using some of your Christmas decor. Until the next time, here is another centerpiece for my coffee table. I will see you soon. Smooches!